even on a daily basis, has some connection with the law. So business law is a collection of legal topics, if you like, which we have selected because we believe that they will be the most relevant to your business degree and therefore will make you most workplace ready.
Business law was more about the skills that I learned rather than the knowledge. It was things like academic research, understanding how to write, that really set me apart from the other graduates that were graduating with heavily financed subjects.
It's more an analysis of some facts given, and you are able to make an idea how you see it, because there's no real right or wrong, it's just how well you present your case.
Every transaction in business is going to have its genesis or its starting point in some form of agreement, some form of contract. And so that is probably the most important topic that we focus on. And from there we look at consumer and competition law, the duty of care and tort law, and we also look at intellectual property and property law as well.
In the corporate tax team, what we do is we deal with large corporate organisations and helping them with their tax obligations. A lot of my clients are actually international clients that are either acquiring real estate or looking to restructure their global organisation.
How students learn from me is not out of the textbook. They learn through my experience in industry, through my experience with business, and through my experience with government. And I add to that by bringing in industry experts to co-teach with me.
They're willing to give you some guidelines and some direction, which is always helpful because it can be a little bit daunting or overwhelming coming up against a topic you've never come across before. However, they will encourage you to find the answers for yourself, and you're actually able to recall it a lot easier when it comes to exam times, and more importantly when it comes to apply what you've learned in the workplace.
The best part of my job is definitely dealing with the clients that I have. I think finding that there are different needs and different ways of communicating to each of your clients means that you learn different skill sets with every different job that you get.
So it will equip you to work in an accounting firm, to work in government, to work in corporate, to even work in a small business setting or for yourself. Whatever you are studying in the business law major provides you with that legal basis to go ahead and become a very successful and responsible business person.